Hey folks, so today's quick task is we need to replace this water pump, which is really super duper stiff with I suspect this has got a bad bearing or something, possibly a seal, but it does actually turn easier in one direction than another, and it's simply not working. It's cheap shite. I'm going to replace this one with this one, which I've just installed from here. This one works okay, which we can test by plugging it in here. See? It's alive! Yes, so we're going to replace this thing, its original installation, with this one, which is obviously a known good working one. So let's swap sites, shall we? Right, as you can see, this is the old installation. This is the cover of the other pump. So what I need to do is break these unions, one here and one over here. One over here, just to remove this end plate. Then I'll change these fittings over to the other pump, and what should be your second country remove thing for I don't know. Damn, that's tight. This pipe here, you can see this on my video, but here it's got some real severe torsional distress. Somebody has really had a chew on this in the past. God damn, that's tight. That is super tight. Yeah, and the whole bleeding thing's turning again. I've got a problem here in this piece of the copper pipe here. It's a flat here. The whole thing's just turning because this union is super duper tight. I don't want to fracture this pipe because then we'll be bucketed. Why am I sitting in water for something? Because everything feels wet. Okay. So let me see if I can crack this free. Let me just show you the torsional problem here. You see this? It wasn't me that did that, though I did just add to it. Let's see if we can get around that. I hope I can break this joint because I haven't brought a soldering iron with me. has come loose now. It's turning into copper union. Let's see if I can get this. Yes, it broke free. Okay, we'll keep that joined for the time being. I need to break this one. Which side's the breaking side? Alright, this is the large side. Tight. I don't think this has been undone since the thing was put out. That's that crack free, so we'll break this off. Release. So what I'll do now is I'll take this outside, I'll remove these bits, and we'll marry it up to the these. Humans are just disgusting. I might have to replace this. We'll see. It's connected to nothing. Oh dear. Never mind. So what I'll do is I'll take this outside. We'll take these bits off. We'll try and marry the two pumps up. Let's see. Right, what I need to do is take the pipes off this face plate, all this, and put them in here. I think they look about the same. What is that? 3/4? 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, maybe that's an inch. This is 3/4 of an inch. It doesn't matter. I think these fittings are all the same. So I'll take these off. I'll put some. Don't have it with me. Teflon tape on the joints, and hopefully we should just go straight back into place and wire it up. These old houses have no earth system in them at all, so they just have the normal twin positive and negative cables, and we should be okay. We should be set to go. So let's set to it, shall we? I might have to buy one of these. Certainly have to buy a new one of these. The tap, if you can't see it. Quick point of interest. I couldn't open this at all. Just see it's solid. In fact, when I try to turn this bottom piece here, as you can see, completely snapped off. So I'm replacing everything. The only thing I can't really replace is this 3/4 inch tap. So I'm replacing it with a 1/2 inch tap with an adapter. Quick point of interest. This is the old T section, 3/4 inch T section. This is the new one. Damn. It's a huge difference in the size. Yeah, they really used to make shit back then. Did you believe that? How times have changed. Alright, let's assemble this bad boy. Okay, I've reinstalled the parts. It's as near as I can get it, as close to the original installation as the parts will permit. The only thing I don't have confidence in, the only thing I don't have confidence in is these unions, because they're kind of old and the surfaces though made of brass. I've tried to clean up as much as I can, but they're incredibly soft and easy to gouge. And these will cause severe. I haven't cleaned this one up at all. I might have to end up replacing these unions, which is probably the best thing. But first thing I'll do is I'll go and put it against the original installation and just see if the parts marry up. I really hope so. Okay, the pump's back in position. They more or less marry up. The joints more or less the same size. Just a few of the angles are wrong. Can you see this? This angle here is completely wrong, so it's going to involve some bending and whacking to get it back into place. Okay, let's try fitting this thing. Okay, that's as tight as I can get it. That's what I need to do now. Let's connect the wires up. You see these? To the originals. There's the switch up there. And then we'll bleed it and give it a go. Well, it's all connected up. Cables are connected up. These are as tight as I can get them. This is shut. So let's just see if it works. Contact. Well, the pump clearly works. However, now I need to purge it, bleed it, but I have no faith in these bloody connections of holding water at all. So let's give that a go. I'm going to have to move the camera for this because, well, I don't want water to spray everywhere and destroy my camera. So give me a minute. Okay, it's all reinstalled. Pump is wired up. Disgusting water thing. The pump is wired up. Connections are made. These connections, drip, 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 are given a pretty bad connection because they're ancient and I just can't seal them anymore, so I won't have to replace them. But however, if we do this, rock and roll. Say it again. We'll consider that a minor success. All I need to do is replace these two unions, this one and this one and this one, and we'll call that a minor success. So until that time, see you later.